Welcome to another JeaKen video. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Get medical advice before trying out any treatments for early menopause symptoms. Women that observe early menopause symptoms will also notice that such symptoms are very much like those of early pregnancy, and so it behooves them to take the advice of a doctor to find out what such symptoms really are, since that will help find out whether something serious is amiss with you. Lucky or not, there are certain early menopause symptoms that you will notice, and these could occur in a greater or even lesser degree depending on your individual case, and if you are lucky, you could escape with just the barest symptoms, though in other instances the symptoms could be pretty severe, causing a lot of distress and anxiety to the affected person. Among the more common early menopause symptoms are night sweats and hot flashes as two changes that cannot easily are explained, such as changes to the menstrual cycle, level of blood sugar, you're becoming depressed for no apparent reason, and being very irritable as well. Another aspect to early menopause symptoms is that women may be given to extreme changes in moods, and there may also is a general loss of interest in sex, and depression is also another possible sign. Also, there will be changes to the growth of your hair, and its quality may also change, while it will also is noticed that the vagina begins to dry up, and you would also suffer from the problem of retaining your water. The early menopause symptoms are such that they can cause great distress to you, and among the other signs are chronic headaches, too much feeling of fatigue, as well as problems with sleeping, and there may also are yeast infections, body aches and cramping as two changes to the level of blood sugar. In addition, it is common to experience irregular periods, and there is also bleeding, which is attributable to the rise and fall of hormone levels. Among the treatments possible for early menopause symptoms are hormone replacement therapy or HRT, and some over-the-counter, as well as prescription medications, muscle relaxants, prescription pain relievers, and also medications that are anti-inflammatory. However, if you do not wish to be affected by side effects, you would be well advised to consider herbal supplements that are an option that more and more women are opting for. Whatever method or option you choose to overcome your early menopause symptoms, make sure to get proper medical advice before proceeding further, because together with your doctor, you can stay healthy and overcome this testing time in your life. If you've liked the video, give it a thumb up, leave a comment and share with your friends. We thank you so much for watching. For more nutrition, health and beauty tips, please subscribe to our channel.